Okay, so if you're seeing this video, you are making great headway. So we're on number 10, 11, and 12. We're going to do those all together because they have to do with each other. So in order to find 11, you have to get number 10 right. And in order to find number 12, you have to have number 11 right. Because if you don't, it'll just throw everything off. But after you watch this, hopefully you won't have a problem with these anymore. Okay, so the first part, it wants us to find the general nth term of this sequence. So first of all, we have to figure out whether it's arithmetic or geometric. So let's go ahead and write out the sequence and see what we have. So -1, -5. Okay. So to go from 0 to 7 to 3, how am I going to get there? Is there a number that I can multiply or divide that will give me 3? No. But what about addition or subtraction? So how do I get from 7 to 3? Well, that's easy. I'm just going to subtract 4. 7 minus 4 will give me 3. So how about 3 and -1? Same thing, 3 minus 4 will give me -1. And hopefully, just checking the last one, -1 and -5. So -1 minus -4 will give me -5. Okay, so now that we have that, we know it's arithmetic, so we know that my distance is -4. So I am going to write down my formula to get the nth term. So n minus 1 times my d. Okay, so let's see here. My my a1, that's going to be my first term. So your first term is your a1. So I'm going to write 7 plus that n minus 1 is going to stay the same, and my distance of -4. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute this 4 to my n and to my -1. So this is going to give me a sub n. 7 plus -4 times n will give me, sorry, this should be a negative, 4n. -4 times -1, this will give me a positive 4. And when I combine all my like terms, I'm left with -4n plus 7 plus 4 will give me 11. So this is how I find my nth term. Now using that for my number 11, I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite it. 4n plus 11. So now I'm wanting to find the 26th term. So my 26 is going to be my n. So n equals 26. So I'm going to substitute my 26 in for my n's. So a sub 26 is equal to -4 times 26 plus 11, which this will give me -104 plus 11, and when I add both of those, it's going to give me -93. So that is the 26th term. And for the last one, it's wanting to find the sum of the first 26 terms. Well, let me go ahead and write down my formula. My s sub n will be n over 2 times the first term times a sub n. Well, if I want to find the first 26 terms, my n again is going to be 26. So let's go ahead and substitute that. So s sub 26 will give me 26 over 2. My a sub 1 is 7. And I'm just going to substitute this in so that we can see what we're looking at. So when I rewrite this, 7 plus my a sub 26, I already found that. up here. So a sub 26 is negative 93. So once I simplify that, I'm going to get 26 over 2 times 86. And this, oh sorry, negative 86. And this is going to give me negative 1,118. And that is the sum of my first 26 terms.